Hello students, we have started our lesson Dick Whittington and his cat. So far in the lesson we studied that Dick was a poor boy. Then as he was poor, so people they were treating him unkindly. Then he heard from the people streets of London are paved with gold. That's why he just thought to go to the London to pick his fortune off from the streets. And he reached to the London, but there he experienced certain another thing. Now come to the lesson. So Dick was given a home and a living. He had a small corner of the attic to sleep in, and his job was to help the cook with all the pots and pans in the kitchen. Dick's life should have been much better than before, but he still had two difficulties to face. So now Mr. Fitzwarren was really kind-hearted person, so he had given him a home also, and then again a living also. Then he had a small corner of the attic. Attic it means what? See the meaning. Attic it means very small room inside a pointed roof. So that area he got there to sleep in, and he had some kind of work. His job was to help uh, the cook with all the pots and pans in the kitchen. Then his life should have been much better than before, but he had two difficulties to face. So, what two difficulties were there? Now we are discussing about that. First was that the attic he slept in was overrun by rats and mice. At night, they scampered all over him and kept him awake. After a time, he solved this problem by saving the few pennies he was paid and buying himself a cat. In no time at all, the cat chased away all the rats and mice. Dick was able to sleep peacefully. So then, that was the first difficulty. The place where he was sleeping, that area was overrun by rats and mice. So during the night, whenever you are sleeping, so then they were just scampering. Scamper it means see to run here and there. So that rats and mice were just scampering all over him, and due to that he was awake whole night. So then after some time he solved that problem also, like whatever amount he was paid in pennies by the Mr. Fitzwarren. So then he saved that amount, and by that he just purchased one cat. Then in no time at all, the cat chased away all the rats and mice, and then Dick was able to sleep peacefully. So whatever amount he was getting there in pennies, so same amount he just saved, and then he bought for himself one cat. And then in no time at all, that cat chased away all the rats and mice, and then later on Dick was able to sleep peacefully. Now this was the first difficulty. He solved that problem also. Now what the second? See, the other difficulty which was not easy to overcome was the cook's bad temper. She shouted and screamed all day and would scold Dick and hit him with a wooden spoon even when he was working as hard as he could. So second difficulty was not easy to solve. So that was very horrible situation, we must say. So say second difficulty was not easy to solve or overcome. See, overcome it means what? To solve the problem. See, meaning is already given there. Succeed in dealing with the problem. So that was not easy to deal with that problem. Then, and what was that difficulty? That was a cook's bad temper. It means always she was just getting angry. Then she shouted and screamed all day. She was just shouting and screaming all day to the Dick, and then even she used to hit him with a wooden spoon. So, like scolding and screaming, that's not the point, but more than that, she used to hit him with a wooden spoon. Then, even even when he was working as hard as he could. He was working so hard because he wanted to achieve success in his life. So that's why he was really working so hard. But here, so much horrible situation was there. So he was working as hard as he could, but it was not easy to solve it. Then come to the next. One night, Dick decided that he could stand it no more. Early in the next morning, before the cook was up, he set out with his cat to seek his fortune elsewhere. The two of them walk as far as Hollow. See, Holloway is the place regarding that we are talking. Then, on their way out of London, then Dick sat down on a stone to rest. It was the 1st of November, All Saints' Day. The church bell were ringing. As Dick sat and listened, it seemed they were ringing out a message for him. So then, as he thought, like first problem already he had solved, but second problem was not easy to deal with. So that's why now he made his mind to just go away from there. One night, Dick decided he could stand it no more. It means what, he can't tolerate these all the thing again and again, and it's really difficult for him to survive there. So that's why he decided to move on. He decided to go from there early in the next morning only, before the cook was up. It means before the cook just getting up, he already left that place. Set out, it means what, he had started his journey to somewhere else. He set out with his cat to seek his fortune elsewhere. He thought, if I will be here, so then definitely these problems are not going to be ended. So definitely I have to seek my fortune somewhere else. Then, so two of them, it means Dick Whittington and his cat, these two of them, they walk as far as Holloway. So this was the particular place regarding that they are talking. So they just walk as far as Holloway. Then again, on their way out of London, so they were just supposed to reach out of the London. So till that place they reach. Then Dick sat down on a stone to rest. So as they started their journey so early, so that's why Dick was tired a little bit of. Then he just sat there on a stone to the rest. Then it was the 1st of November, All Saints' Day, and the church bells were ringing. So then that was the 1st of November, All Saints' Day. Then church bell were ringing there. As Dick sat and listened, it seemed they were ringing out to a message for him. So it seemed like these it means these bells were giving him a message. So what was the message? That message is given here. Now we'll study that. So that bells were ringing, and those bells were just like a message for the Dick Whittington. So now what message he has got from there, now we will discuss. See, turn again Whittington, though worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. So then the kind of thing or the kind of message was given to him. Turn again Whittington. It means as you are moving from here, so don't go from here. You just turn again. You just come back. Though it means what? You. Though worthy citizen. You are the respectable citizen. You are the honorable citizen, Lord Mayor of London. So then you are the worthy citizen, you are very important person, and you are the Lord Mayor of London. In that way, that message he got from those bells. Now see what happens. Lord Mayor of London, said Dick, I should like to be Lord Mayor and ride in a fine coach. I can put up with few scolding from the cook if that is what steps Mr. Fitzwarren's, if that is what is in store for me. So then he thought, first of all, like those bells were giving him a message, and then what was that message? So turn again Whittington. You are the worthy citizen of London, and definitely you are going to become a Lord Mayor of London. So he listened that, and first of all he just said to himself, Lord Mayor of London, then I should like to be Lord Mayor of London and ride in a fine coach. So he thought, definitely whatever problems I am facing, so definitely I must face it. If I would like to be the Lord Mayor of London, so then I should be able to do everything whatever I want. So then see the word or the phrase which is used there, put up with. Put up, it means what? To tolerate, to suffer. Then I can put up with a few scoldings from cook if that is what is store, that is what in store for me. So then he said, even I am ready to put up, I am ready to tolerate certain another scolding also. If something good is store for me, I am ready to do that also. So in that way now he thought, and now he is deciding to go back. So Dick and his cat retraced their step to Mr. Fitzwarren's house. Luckily, they were able to slip back before they had been missed. So then Dick and cat also they retrace. Retrace, it means what? Found out their ways to the Mr. Fitzwarren's house, and luckily they were able to come back before they had been missed. Thank you.